Hi, I'm Surya Prakash. Now I'm going to take operating system lab in basics Unix and Linux command. Now we are going to see the questions. In that we have to type the command. We have to check the code. ls-a. This is the command, and it show like this. We have to check the list contents of user home directory, including the hidden files. It will show. We have to type ls-a. Then it will show like this. Now we are going to see the second command. This is the content of a path directory of slash. We are now here type and show like this. Now we are going to see the third command. We have to create two directories named directory 1 and directory 2. Then we have to type it and it show like this. Now we have to create a hidden directory with your name. Then we have to make that mkdir hidden directory. Then the ls, it will show the file name, exercise name. Then command 5, display the fill dates. It will show the we have to cal -j. It will show the dates, year 2021. Now we are going to see the display the calendar of 2020, and we have to put calendar 2020. It will show the whole years, and we have to see the 7. Display the Sunday as the first day week in the calendar, and we have to calculate since Sunday, that it will show like this. Then we have to see the 8. Display the dates, one based number from the January in the calendar. It show like this. This is the command. Now we have to see display the today date. Today date, it will show 13 2021. And next is display your current terminal. Current terminal is TTY. We have to check that it is correct or not. DEV PTS /5. It will show. Now we are going to see the 11. Is display the user and the group UID and GID of the current user, and we have to check the ID. The ID is UK19CS1235, and GID is current user, also UK19CS1235, and this is the command. Now we have to check the 12th question. Copy the file, etc. password file to current directory with sample text as the file name. We have to check the copy, etc. password sample.txt and enter ls, and it will show like this: that 1 and 2 AAC. It will show the experiments numbers and save file name and save sample text. Now we are going to see the 13th question. Create a file with your own name. We have to put the name, and .sh is compulsory, that is extensions. Then we have to give the touch name .sh, and we have to put ls. Then it will show like this, and it will show the experiments, and it will save sample text and etc. Change the directory into 32 directory. It will show like this. And next we have to see the create an empty text file and check whether the created file is present there, and present there. Then it will show like this. cd to touch empty, unless it will show the command. The output is empty.txt. Now the 16th question, rename the file sample.txt to new txt and check whether sample.txt is there or not. Now we have to put the command md sample.txt new txt and code ls. This is the code, and we have to check the output. It came the name and exercise name and file name. Now we have to remove that directory one. We are given that it is the command. Now we are going to see 18th question. Display the last 3 lines of the file text1 test1 text. We have to put tail -3 new .txt. Now it will show like this, and this is the tail -3. And the 19th question is display all the commands you have executed so far saved listing to file name, and this is the history of today's text. And the last one is how many files are present under your home directory, and this is the present under my home directory. That's all. Thank you. The result is the basic commands of Unix and Linux are successfully executed and verified. Thank you.